What? We're taking 15 to 11. Might as well just stay in that rut. Yeah. Oh, there's 11. Okay, we take that. And we stay on 11 for a long time. Okay, Roy's comm's dead. Are you switching it out? Yeah. And 11 should veer to the right up there. All good?
I'm going loose bombs.
Man, soupy. Yeah. At least right here. Well, I don't know. No, he's not rolling. Let him get up. Let him get up this hill. We should be okay. Yeah. Pretty much have to stay in the center because it's not going to let you out. Let me know when y'all get up that. Alright. Whoa, whoa, be careful. Be careful right here. Just on the left, yeah. Give me, yeah, well, just give me some room and so that you don't run into the back of it. about 10 right there. And that's where Roy went down a couple times. So my point is we've not been on this before, so. Let me get up this, I'll let you know how it is. Okay, ride is okay. My files. There it is. All right, I'm back. Okay.
Back in black. Thanks a lot.
So what's that? What's that trail over there? 18.
18%. Away.
Okay. So we go up. We go up here. Stay to the left. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna follow 11 through the next 2 junctures and take a right on 12.
And be out of this dude. Okay.
Don't follow too close. I don't know how steep it'll go. And I may go down, you know. Okay, I'm down. Oh, God. Go downhill pretty steep, I don't know. Right. So just go nice and slow through here. There is no steering. Careful right there, it'll throw you.